Thank you for landing in my channel. Enjoy the video and find new experience from it.
Prepare fresh carrots, slice it using slicer, or you can use knife to slice it. Then soak it in cool water in 10 minutes. Add teaspoon of baking soda. Take fresh tomato, slice it. Plating with a heart design by circling the plate. Then take cucumber, slice it, place on the sidelines heart model.
Dry soaked sliced carrots, stack lengthwise with one end overlapping the next wedge and roll it.
By piercing with a toothpick.
Take some lettuce leaves and place them in the middle for a rose base. Then put rose design in the middle. Subscribe button to get first notification from our next video. Thank you.